Okay, hello everyone, how are you? Today we are gonna do the analysis of this little graphic that we have here, which shows us places visited by different people living in Canada. So here we have 4 different places: the cinema, the theater, the library, and the zoo. And in each one of them we can find 3 different colors: the yellow, blue, and green, which has different meanings. The yellow one is showing us new immigrants born in other countries. The blue one is showing us new immigrants born in English-speaking countries. And the last one, the green, is showing us the percentage of people who were born in Canada. So an analysis that we can do here is that most of the people in the 3 colors, the yellow, the blue, and the green, are going to the cinema. What we can see here too is that less people go to the theater. It may be because it is expensive than the cinema. Other important thing here to see is that new immigrants born in other countries are going more than people who were born in Canada. So it may be because Canadians are not people who like to read. Other thing here that we can analyze is here in the green part that most of the Canadians goes to the cinema because it could be more entertaining for them than go to the zoo or then go to the library or the theater. Other thing here that we can see on the theater is that the new immigrants born in English-speaking countries are the people who are going more to the theater. It could be because they want to see new things. As they are in a foreign country, they want to visit some other things in order to get them fun. And there are some other things that we can analyze here about the blue part is that the people who were born in English-speaking countries goes to the library because they understand it may be something interesting for them. It could be because they want to learn something more about things in different topics. I don't know. And the last one, here, the cinema is amazing because it is the maximum place visited by people from different countries or from Canada. It is because they can pay the ticket, because they have the enough of money to can go there, and it's fun for them. Thank you so much.